Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to install WhatsApp without Microsoft Store on Windows 10 and 11. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. To download and install WhatsApp on a PC without using the Microsoft Store, open a web browser. Navigate to this page. Find the latest version button and click on it. Click on the download button on the next page to download the WhatsApp desktop installer to your computer. After completing the process, click on Open File. Then install WhatsApp by clicking Install. Launch WhatsApp on your computer and click on Get Started to set up the app. Open the app on your phone and navigate to Settings. These three dots here. To link a device to your screen in WhatsApp, navigate to the Settings and select Link Devices. Tap on the Link a Device option and point your phone's camera to your screen. To link your phone's WhatsApp to your computer's installed WhatsApp, scan the QR code on the screen, allowing you to use WhatsApp on both devices. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.